Hey, are you gonna finish those?
Sorry, they're already gone.
No, they're not. You left the best part.
No, I'm pretty sure they're...
Cheese. I love Doritos. Doritos!
I get asked to do commercials all the time, and I always say the same thing. First, I need some hot chicks. Second, we film at my house, so I ain't gotta go anywhere. Third, I record my own song. Yo!
The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a tornado warning for southwestern San Francisco County in Northern California, northwestern San Mateo County in Northern California, until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 2:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a confirmed waterspout was located just offshore near South San Francisco, moving southwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirmed waterspout moving onshore. Impact: expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This tornado will be near Brisbane, Daly City, South San Francisco, and Kona around 2:25 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Broadmoor around 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties: San Francisco and San Mateo.
Bring it! Cool, refreshing, nice tea, drink it! Oh, wardrobe malfunction. But once I try their products, I always hate them, so I bounce. Damn, that is pretty good! But I got one final demand.
No, we can't change the name to Eminem's Yo my Bring It my bitch num mother you.
Nice! See? That's why I don't do commercials!